In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a picture to an Excel file. Suppose you need to convert this image to an Excel data file. For this, we have to use an online converter. Open your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, type NanoNets image to Excel and press enter. This is the website we are looking for, but if you cannot find it, don't worry. I will provide the link in the description. Click on the website. On this website, you can convert PDFs to Excel as well. In the center box, click on Upload PDF or Images. Select your image or PDF and click on Open. Now select your preference. If you need text with a data table, then you have to select Text and Tables. But if you do not need any extra text like me, then leave the option as Tables only. Now click on Convert to Excel. Wait for the process to finish. Here, our data is complete. Click on the download icon and your data will be downloaded as an Excel file. Let's open the Excel file. Here is our data. If you want to edit the data, you have to click on the Enable Editing button. Now just fix the border and alignment of the data, and your data is good to go. Remember that the online converter I showed earlier is a free tool, so you can only use it a certain number of times before signing up.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.